This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan pictures on your iPhone. So we can swipe all the way over to the right and just go to App Library. I'm using my iPad here, but it will work the same way. We can just go to Notes. So this should be on your device. Tap this. Now you want to look for like maybe this crayon option. On the bottom there could be an option in here for taking a picture. Just look for a picture option so you can see all these options. Now on my iPad I have this arrow right here. I just hit this arrow and I have the option to scan on the top. So look on your iPhone somewhere in there, like the crayon option. It should be on the toolbar down here. On the iPad it's on the top. So you can just come up with a picture to take, whatever it may be, and then just take that picture. And here's my picture I took of my phone. You do have the option to crop it down if you move these around. Then you can go to retake or keep. I'm just going to go to keep. Now a lot of times if it's a picture, it's just going to highlight it yellow and then it will crop it automatically. Then you can take more pictures and keep together, otherwise just go to this check mark once you're done. And you can see all these wonderful pictures I have on here now. You can go to the picture, hit this down arrow next to it, or just try holding down on the picture. And we can go to copy, rename, delete, print, save to files, or we can share it if we want to send it in like an email attachment or something like that, or print it. So you can just go to email, tap this, and then you can share it to Google through here, your Google account. So very easy to do just through Notes. If you want to keep the file, just go to save to file. So you can save that on your iPhone, or maybe you can upload it to your iCloud. So we go to save to file. You can upload it to your iCloud account. You can save it to your iPhone too. So you can decide what you want to do with that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.